Okay, guys, we are going to do this my way this time. They didn't give you a version of this, so we're going to do it my way. Sorry, no British accent. Just got to deal with my voice this time, so here we go. All right, so this is where we're going to hopefully end up with, ish, and we'll go with this. So I'm going to be jumping back and forth a little bit because I'm trying this out for the second time, so I don't have this down pat, so we'll see how it goes. All right, you're going to click on the application menu. We're going to go new like always. Start off with your good old-fashioned metric mm.ipt. Got it? Good. Next step, click your start sketch. This time though, we're going to work on the XZ plane. So get that up. We're ready to go. All right, this part I know. This part's easy. We're going to do this a little bit different though. Click rectangle. You're going to click the little middle dot thing there. Now, as you see here, you have your two different measurements. If you press tab, you notice you go back and forth. Let's make life easy for ourselves, shall we? On the top, go 508, press tab. On the bottom, 101.6. Got it? Get that in there. Once you got it, should be nice and constrained. You should be good to go. All right, finish sketch. That was the easy part. Okay, do a little bit different of an extrusion this time. Click extrude. Click that. We're going to go 20. This is our deck, but we need to do a taper. So click more and type 8 for taper, which, as you'll see here, will give this thing, if you click on the right view, you'll see it should give you a nice little angle like so. Beautiful. Let's push shift and scroll here and give a little bit of an angled view. This thing does make my computer lag a little bit. Okay, just did a quick setting change here. Hopefully this will speed up my computer a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to bank on anything this time. All right, a little bit of side view like so, and then we'll get the next step in. The next step, we need to do a plane. And what we're going to do is we're going to click this down arrow right here, and you're going to click plane to angle around the edge. So do that real quick, then come right back to me. Okay. Click this edge right here. Click this. Type 7.5. And it'll do this little angle like there. I don't care. You guys can talk. All right. Sorry, family. Okay. Offset from plane. Click this. Go up 86.75. Do that. Okay. Now that you have that done, click this new plane that you made. Click new sketch. You're ready to rock and roll here. Click project geometry. We're gonna click on this outside plane here if you can. And then we're gonna make a little circle out here. Make it life easy. If you see a little dotted line, you'll line it up with the middle. Otherwise, you will have to constrain this. This should be 44. And then dimension from the outside of this to the outside of this. And we're gonna go 83. All right, do that real quick, then come back and we'll do the next step. Okay, finish sketch. Get that done. We're going to do extrude, but we're going to do a little bit of a different one here that you haven't done before. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go two different directions. You're going to go down 32. Oops. Up 50. It was backwards from my original ones. And down 32. Something like this should do you good. Press OK. You got that step done. Okay, guess what? More plane practice. So click on the down arrow for plane. Plane around edge. Click this edge right here. Click this plane. We're going to type negative 39. You should get something that looks like this. Hopefully you're still on the same track as I am. If not, ask and I can help you. All right, you get that in, and come back to me when you get that done. Okay, make a new sketch on this. There you go. Do yourself a favor. Press F7 so that circle gets out of your way. Otherwise, you will be annoyed by it through this. Give me a project geometry right there, so especially so we can see this yellow line right there. Do another rectangle. I'm just going to park it right here. Your measurements are 38 by 39. Give yourself a horizontal constraint. I want this middle dot with this one. And that did not work out like I had planned. All right. That happens. Let's see. Oh, maybe I need to use this one. That's better. Okay. Just center that and you'll be good. All right. Do that real quick and then we'll go over the next step here in just a second. Okay. Finish sketch. Alrighty. We need to now extrude that to this. Let's see how this works. Extrude. You're going to click on this little rectangle right here, as soon as I can find it. You're going to click on this profile face. Sorry if this is a little bit choppy, guys. I keep going back and forth. But anyway, click on this. Click this. Go to 2. Click this little cylinder. And then you're good to go. Sorry. Okay, next step, guys. We need to project this part down to there. Sounds complicated, don't it? All right, here's how we're going to do this. Try to get a view to where you can see the bottom of this thing. I don't know why I just pointed to this. It's not like you can see what's on my screen. Okay, guys, try to get a view for where you can see the bottom of this. Now, to make your life easy, if you can click this plus arrow. Shh. Xander, be quiet. Sorry, guys. All right. Click on this sketch here, and we're going to make this visible. Right-click on it and make it visible. That way you can see it. This will save us from making a new sketch. So you click Extrude, click this, change this to 2, then I want you to click the belly of the bed. Now, I'm having difficulty doing it because I'm recording at the same time as doing this, so it's not really doing a lot of good. Press OK, and now, if you can see this, which I will try to do this real quick. That way we can see what we're doing, and you'll see how this whole thing's attached. All right, do yourselves a favor real quick. This is going to get real annoying. Try to hide the visibility on some of these planes because we're done with them. I know I'm done with this one, and I know I'm done with this one. So hide these so we don't see them, and then we'll get to the next step. All right, next step. Hope you've enjoyed the entertainment. All right, click that circle. New sketch right there. Might want to do a little project geometry here. New circle in the middle. 40. Then finish sketch. So do that and then come back to me. All right, next step. Now, we're going to do a cut. And many of you are asking, why not just shell this? Well, if you shell this, it will shell the entire object. I don't want that, I just want this. So do that real quick, and now you have the little cylinder for your handlebars to go through. Fun, huh? So that should fit right in there, I hope, assuming everything is all correct. Okay, next step. Yeah, let's go ahead and hide this plane. It's going to get annoying real quick. And this is a project geometry that I can also hide too on sketch 3. Make that go bye-bye. Okay, click this plane here, new sketch. Bring it up. All right. Might as well project the bed. That way you have that done. Give me a circle. Do yourself a favor. Line up in the middle. Make it 24. Dimension it from here to the middle. 61. Ooh, I was close. Don't mind that noise. My wife is getting water in the background. I'm not going to the bathroom while I'm doing this, honestly.
That's what it sounds like, doesn't it?
It does sound like that. All right, that should be fun for the record. Okay, finish sketch. All right. And that was a cat. Extrude. Click this. I'm going to go all, cut, and this will be where the wheel goes in if you're wondering what I'm doing. Press OK, and now we have a part here for your guys' fancy wheel to go into. So hope you enjoyed that step. All right, by the way, this will be in different parts because I'm going to run out of room on this tape. Okay, new sketch right here. Go. Alrighty. Save yourself a little bit stretch here and just do some F7. That way we don't see everything that we're necessarily working on. Make your life easier so you're not dealing with so much stuff. Project. I want to project the outside, not this. All right, hang on. I'm gonna pause. Okay, do me a favor. Don't press F7. It's a bad idea. I lost more things I gained. Now let's project. So I want this outside area right here. We're gonna draw a line from here-ish to about here-ish. Dimension that from here to the top. That should be about 17. It's like it's going to be difficult for me. This one should be 51. Try this again. Put a dot there. If it's not there, then if you get these things right here, if you want to click these things and erase them, then hopefully that will give you the freedom to be able to dimension them. Yep, 17. There we go. So if you have that problem, go ahead and just erase it. All right. Let's do this on the other side. I really don't feel like doing a mirror right now. I think I clicked on something else. If you get this little dotted line across, that will save you a little bit of time because now that's already constrained. I'm going to go here to here again. There we go. 17. Nice and easy. Finish sketch. Go ahead and do a cut on both of those. Make sure you get it. You have to be careful when you're clicking because as you see, mine is not getting it. Oh, fun. Hopefully you're having better luck than me. All right. Let's go a different angle here. Maybe this will get it. Extrude. It's there, so it's very, very touchy. There, got it. Now try to get the other one, if you can. If not, I know another way to do this. All right, I'm gonna do this the other way. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one out, press OK. Then what I could do next is, go to the other side now. Go to this plus here if you're having issues. Bring back the visibility of your sketch. I'm going to extrude again. See if I can get it this time. It's not going to play nice with me, I have a feeling. Okay. If you're like me and you're having problems, here's another way to actually do this. It's not the fun way, but it'll work. But it can teach you something else too. Plane. Go mid-plane between two planes and click both sides of the object because I'm going to mirror this sucker just so I don't have to deal with it again. See, makes a plane right down the middle. What I'm going to do here now, this could be useful later. I'm going to do a mirror, click on this extrusion, click mirror plane, click this mirror, press OK. And now it is gone. All right, I'm going to stop this video for now, and then we're going to do another half of it. I'm going to upload this, and this will be part 1 of the deck. And we'll get to the other one here in just a little bit.